Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I just finished up this beautiful walnut log here on the sawmill. Started this last night and just came down here this morning and got it wrapped up. But I've got two real nice pieces of 8/4 right here, live edge. I've got a piece of 4/4 live edge here, another one on the bottom, and then I've got 10 4/4 pieces, 8.5 inches wide. And then I just saw this here. They're 8/4, only about 3.5 inches wide. Now these two pieces here, like I said, they're 8/4, and you guys that are wood turners, you can tell me, but I was thinking I could probably cut these down and sell these as turning blanks or something. Let me know in the comments what you think. But anyway, that's it for the big walnut log. I'll get this stacked and stickered later on today. Right now, we're going to go dig a big hole. So if you have been following along, you know that as time allowed, I've been down here working, clearing some more ground down here. Not a lot, just a little spot right here for some more storage. And part of that plan is I'm moving this burn pit down. I use this for stuff that's not good enough for firewood, nasty slabs, brush, whatever. But what I'm doing, I'm digging a new pit right here. It's only down about 15 feet from the other one, but I'll be able to like park my dump trailer and my landscape trailer right where this old burn pit was. So it should work out pretty good. And I should be getting into some decent shale dirt here pretty quick. This is a big hole right here to fill up, but I'm going to dig another big one to replace it. Yep, down into the shale. So Melissa, as you know, is in California, but she comes home tonight, Monday night. You probably won't see this video until Wednesday. But she'll be back tonight. Can't wait till she gets home. I don't know how she does everything she does. Between the dogs and the hunt man and just all the little things, it's kind of hard to get out of the house as early as I normally do and get into something. Oh, and also a lot of people have been asking about the building. I just talked to Tom from Concrete with the Hosses a little bit ago. He's got a pumper lined up for Friday, so we're going to be pouring the floor in the game room on Friday. I'm not sure how much they'll get done. They should get all the decorative stuff done on Friday. That's the whole game room. That's probably an area, I don't know, one area is 30 by 40, right? Yeah, 30 by 40. And then like where my office and stuff is, and they'll do that on Friday. Then on Monday, the plan is to pour the garage and like the big apron out in front of it to match up with the other concrete that we poured by the patio there. So I'm looking forward to that. They do really nice work. Those guys are busy. Around here, you could probably find another concrete guy that's not as busy, but they're busy for a reason. You know, Tom's been in business like 35 years. He's really good at what he does, and he is in demand, and that's a good thing. So we're into August right now, and I'm telling you, it's already cooling down. I know we'll have some hot days yet, don't get me wrong, but it's the other morning it was like 58 degrees. When I was down cutting grass at my mom's house the other day there, getting a few cherry leaves starting to fall. They're always the first ones. I'm not too worried about compaction here, but I do want to definitely get it tightened up enough to park a few trailers on. Not like I'm building anything on it. I don't think I'm going to dig this one quite as wide as the last one. The last one was about 10 feet wide. I was reading through some of the comments on the last video. It's pretty cool. It's nice hearing from everybody. I said, you know, I didn't want to see the typical comments of you should do this or you need to do that. I just want to know how everybody's doing. And most everybody's doing pretty good. That's good to know. I'll be looking forward to meeting some of you at the Paul Bunyan show in October. That's in Cambridge, Ohio. We'll be there at least Friday and Saturday. Maybe even Sunday. We'll have to see how things go. And we'll be at the Wolfe Ridge booth some, and we'll also be behind the main grandstand in a tent back there. We'll give you all the details once we get closer. But October, it's going to come quick. And then fall and winter, and I'm going to pull some of this off of here because it's going to want to fall in there anyway. The 30-inch bucket on this excavator works great. It handles it well when you reached out real far. It does slow you down a little bit when you get into the harder stuff, but it makes up for it in volume. You know what you pull out of the ground with each bucket. The 18-inch bucket would probably go through the shale a little quicker, but you can move it faster with the 30-inch. That's why I'm using it here. When I first bought this, well, before I bought it, I thought I was going to go with a 24-inch, and then one of my contractors, where I used to work there, he's got several of these, and he said, no, it handles the 30 just fine, and he was correct. So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by HelloFresh, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They have been a great partner to our channel, and it's very much appreciated. When it comes to sponsored videos, we only do about 2 a month. On a rare occasion, we may do 3 a month, and we have offers literally every day to do sponsored videos. So we're very particular about who we partner with, and HelloFresh is one of those companies that made the cut. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, I'll tell you a little bit about them. They deliver seasonal recipes and fresh pre-measured ingredients right to your door, and the food is absolutely fantastic. And like I said, the recipes are seasonal. So here we are in the middle of the summer. They have a lot of like barbecue bundles and grillable proteins, surf and turf, things like that you can do on the grill where you don't have to go in the house and fire up the oven on a hot day. Everybody in our family loves HelloFresh. I've mentioned before, Eva is by far our most picky eater. She loves it. Hunter loves it. Matter of fact, Melissa was out of town for 4 days, and we ate HelloFresh 3 out of those 4 days. It's super convenient. You're not running out to the store. I read somewhere the other day, on average, it takes 41 minutes to go get groceries. And I'd say for us, that's just about right. We're right at about 45 minutes. The closest grocery store is probably about 5 miles away. But by the time you get out there where all the traffic is, you're standing in line, HelloFresh eliminates that need. It's just so convenient, super, super easy to prepare. And like I said, we all love it. It's absolutely delicious. One more thing about HelloFresh that is definitely worth a mention is there is no waste. Like I said earlier, all the ingredients come pre-measured, so when you're done, you're done. Cleanup's a breeze. And you're not going to the store and buying a big bag of something when you only need a few things for a recipe, so it works out really well. If you'd like more information, go to hellofresh.com and use our code OUTDOORS14 to get 14 free meals. Got a little stump there or something. What I'll do, I'll pile up a bunch here, and then I will probably go around the top of the old burn pit, pull some back, and track it in a little bit, try to compact it some.
But there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. Well, it couldn't have been more perfect than this. Their emotions whirled in bliss like a wave built from the center of the sea. In the evening they came home in shock. They had spoken what they always thought was a boundless love from the start. She said, come with me, my darling, love to be. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. When you're gone, I will keep the fires warm. When you're gone, I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. Yes, I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. We got down on one knee, 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear
So Melissa
skies
is
today.
stuck in San Diego right now. She's trying to get another flight. Hers was canceled due to weather, which I didn't know there's any weather. Who knows what the reason is, but I'm not sure when she's getting home. But when she comes home, she has a new burn pit to look at, and this all nice and graded up here. But this will work out good. Like I said, that was a lot of work for a little bit of additional usable real estate, but you know, I need to touch this up a little bit more, roll it in some more, but I'll be able to park both trailers here. Should work out perfectly. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. And like I said before, there will be a link in the description. Check it out if you want more information. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.